I'm not sure that is like on.
Hello.
Yeah.
Now it is on. Sir, it was a nice workshop. I got to know about new technologies. Earlier, I have studied about FDM printers only and SLA. So here I saw metal 3D printing. So there are too many machines related to metal 3D printing and the 4D printing that you are doing. So that is a very interesting technology. So, sir, it was a very nice workshop, and I also learned a lot about the magnetic properties of materials. That was a very new thing to me. So overall, my experience was very nice, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I am coming here for the exploring the new domain of the metal additive manufacturing. Recently, I worked on the conventional manufacturing, and I heard about the metal 3D printing in IIT Chennai. They are working on that. But when I heard this workshop, I go through the websites and all, and I find that here also the metal additive manufacturings are happening. So my main goal is coming here is looking for the opportunities and looking how it works. And apart from that, sir, from this workshop, I learn a lot of new things, a lot of new domains where research can go on. And sir, I definitely in the future I'll apply some of the ideas in my upcoming work. So overall, the experience was really good, sir. And the opportunities we get here about in 10 days only we do something about ourselves, like using the 3D printers and all. So that would add more productive things, I guess. And this is the new experience for me. In the workshop, we have to do our own research also. So overall, the workshop is really good for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I learn new things in this IIT Dharwad. I am not knowing this technology, additive manufacturing, because IIT give the opportunity to learn additive manufacturing and 4D printing and hand experience in internship of my guide Ritu Raj sir, and give give me opportunity to enhance in knowledge in technical or industrial experience. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I'm an undergraduate student, and by this workshop, I get the opportunity to know about additive manufacturing and how it works, and a lot of knowledge I get from this workshop. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. This workshop gives a really new experience in attending workshops and all. And this is my first time experience visiting and attending workshop. And then the lectures, what were delivered by you as well as Auret sir, Ravi sir, was really useful, and it was revising our core concepts in material science, as well as it brought additive manufacturing technologies also, and we got to know that we can implement this in our research also. So we got that idea from this, and I'm sure I can implement that in my research as well as. Thank you, sir. And also I had made a new friends also here.
Oh, good, good, good to hear. That is the most important. That I forgot. Yeah, yeah. Sorry to. Yeah, that
Yes,
is interesting.
it was a really good experience, sir.
Oh, thank
Thank you.
Yeah, that is important.
Good evening, sir. I'm Tejashree. I wasn't aware of material sciences or what 3D printing or what comes along with it. And coming over here has given a lot of exposure, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Now, how I got to know about was through one of my friend who studied at an university, and she sent it over. And the very next day, I enrolled for it, followed by which she sent me a message stating sorry, I'm going for vacation. So I came all by myself, and I made new friends over here.
Oh, good. Yeah. I hope you did not regret.
No.
Good evening, sir. This first time I am attending a material science workshop. Got so many new knowledge, and come to know about new materials. Mainly the project the discussions we had with them give me so many new experience. Like, and working with them is very interesting, and the lectures were very nice. And I got so many new friends here. And yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you
Yeah.
for making
Thank you.
this happen. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am not having any experience on experimental work itself. First, I'm another domain, but I'm related to material science only. After attending these lectures, I'm going to include one of the part like this 3D printing, and I'm thought to include the supercapacitors on my research work itself. It is really useful for me.
Oh,
So,
good to hear
yeah.
that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We will be happy to help on that if you need any chapter preparation. Yeah.
Hello, sir. First of all, I need to thank you, sir, because this workshop was conducted on July 21 to 30, right, sir? I was applied for this workshop on the month of July itself.
Yeah.
But after that, in the November month, I mailed you I want my money to pay back. And then you mailed the workshop is scheduled. That's how it's a long journey. It was my expectation started from the month of July, and now it was ended. So
Thank you for your patience.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like whatever I have expected. I gained a lot of opportunities. The exposure was too good. The food was also too good, and curriculum wise, I got a lot of experience in 3D printing and additive manufacturing. I don't have any idea on this because I'm from science physics. So after coming here, seeing this engineering works, I can correlate personally with my research work to this. So I think so in future I can correlate both science and engineering, and I'll work my research there.
Yeah. Thank you for those words. But yeah, we are sorry, and then we're thank you for your patience. Yeah, because
Okay.
we had to cancel it because of funding issues. Now I think yeah.
Good evening, sir. So this is my second year engineering. I had before I had classes on material science, and I knew something about 3D printing and all, FDM 3D printing basically. But after coming here, I got to know that metal 3D printers also, and it's not just like we are leaving the metal printers as it is, as they're printing. We are trying different methods. We are trying to do research on that. We are trying to optimize it, convert into make more benefits to us ourselves. Research are going in that way also. It's not just leaving as as it is manufactured. We are not just leaving it there. We are doing research for us, more benefits. So it's like completely a new domain for me to see this way.
So
Thank
which
you.
topic you felt this was so interesting?
So topic, Ravi sir's brain simulation also. It was completely a new thing. We knew that they were curing people like that, but yeah, it's a very, very interesting brain simulations.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, we can hear you. Yeah. Go ahead.
So I am also a second year undergraduate, and being from mechanical background, I chose this course because I wanted to go in depth of it, and definitely I got what I expected. When I first looked at the curriculum and all, I was more looking forward for the tutorial sessions, because it was just hearing 3D printing, all that. I studied the theory, but I don't know how to apply it. So I come here and I get the hands-on experience on all the machines, and that was truly a great experience, and I would definitely like to continue in that field. And as my friends here said, I've got great friends here, and I hope to keep in touch with everyone, and you also, sir.
Yeah, we will keep that WhatsApp active. Yeah.
That's it. Thank you.
Sir, good evening, sir. For me, it's a nice and informative workshop, sir. Before this workshop, I had only knowledge in FDM printers only, sir. Now I have a lot of knowledge in other types of printers, and the Ravi sir's lectures on material science field also helps me a lot. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, good evening.
At first, I would like to thank the institute for organizing this workshop, and you for providing an opportunity to participate in this workshop. One of the best thing that I could able to identify is that Dr. Ravi sir was able to converge the basic science concepts with additive manufacturing. That I never had thought of that about that. That was one of the best thing, and we were also able to see some of the state of the art technologies that are available inside the campus, which would help, of course, the researchers who would like to work on it. And I would also like to thank your team, sir, Prachi ma'am, Pavitra ma'am, Rituraj
Yeah,
sir,
thank
and
you. It's all because of their effort. Yeah.
Prashant Udapudi for coordinating the event, and the hospitality was very good. For in future, we would like to have continued interaction with these type of workshops.
Yeah, yeah.
And the important thing, as you said, that the name itself implies we could able to make a few academic networks that would help in our future research. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your.
Hello, sir. Myself, Ravi Kumar. I'm working as assistant professor in Day10 College of Engineering. First of all, I would like to thank you and your team for a well curated and well executed workshop. Last year, I was assigned with this subject, additive manufacturing, for the first time. I was not knowing about this subject, actually, topic. I was deputed to the aeronautical engineering department from mechanical engineering department to take this subject because of the shortage of faculties in aeronautical engineering department in our college. I was very new to the subject. I didn't had any practical exposure to this subject. Somehow I managed in taking this subject. So after coming here, after seeing the theory classes as well as practical exposure here, maybe I can do justice to this subject as well as students if I take this subject again in my college.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure now you're more
Yes.
confident.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. I'm being into 3D printing from last 3 months. So apart from 3D printing, the topic covered by Ravi sir, brain stimulation, that was the exciting part. I learned new things from that. So that was the one I liked. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. These 3 months experience as intern and these 10 days experience as workshop experience as different kind of thing for me. I learned many new things like magnetic materials related things, and as she said, brain simulator was new topic to us. It's gained some more interest, and I want to thank our department to arrange this program. Thank you, sir.
Srikanth.
Hello, sir.
Hey.
Initially, I think the 3D print is only for that is the polymers. But after attending this workshop, I think that there is a 3D printing in terms of metal is there, clay is there, everything is there. Now I'm thinking how to connect that is the experimental work with the that is the simulation work. I'm thinking like that because this is anisotropic material is there. After we get the product from the 3D printing, I'm thinking about that one. If in this workshop, if you connected any papers, it is better.
Sure, sure. We will discuss anyway. You will be inside campus only.
Good evening, sir. Karthik, second year aeronautical student, for arranging this workshop, and my guide, Rudra sir. Curricularly, we learned a lot of things, and this was beyond my expectations. Everything was the hospitality, each and everything was perfect, sir. And as you said, on the projects, you can go and publish the papers. We'll work on it as our group members are trying to lead on it.
Okay.
We'll definitely work on it with you under your guidance.
Sure, sure. Yeah, definitely. Will.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Myself Ramya. So when I register for this workshop, I thought more engineering students or undergraduate students will be attending this workshop. When I came here on the first day of introduction, I got to know we are only the one, we are small, rather everyone are more experienced than us. So it was a good exposure into the industry, and the machineries what we saw in IIT Harvard, it gave us more knowledge about whatever the 3D printing and 4D printing technologies are there in today's generation. So I thank you for this wonderful workshop. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you for your words.
Good evening, sir. It was very nice as it is our first workshop, by the way, and the hospitality was also very good. And the projects concept we actually didn't know more on it, but also we did as easier. And these machines we didn't know like how huge and technical it is. That is also a good experience. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I am Ganesh. I sincerely thank IIT Dharwad for organizing the GiAN program on a functional material manufacturing, energy and biomedical application. I never attended before like this workshop, sir. This is my first actually. I am very happy, sir, and especially thanks to volunteers and you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'm back. Good evening, all. To start with, like we work in south pole of the country. So what we were exposed to the completely new environment, like north pole of the country. So we are more into maintenance of the equipments and all that. Where we in the first session, as I told, there were many physical damages and those manufacturing techniques. We have one 3D printing lab in a hospital, but never knew that so many varieties are available. So thanks to IIT Dharwad and your team for arranging such a good workshop and giving us an opportunity to tell frankly that there was a challenge given by my husband and my son, and son would be of the same age of my delegate.
Okay.
So it's like son, mother and daughter working in the same project.
Oh.
So it was like they were telling you will not be able to move more than 4 days. So I could successfully complete this 10 days because the topics were so interesting, and more of magnetic materials and its utilization. We see many of them in the hospital, but application of the theory and practical was a first time experience for us. So thanks one and all. It was a wonderful workshop.
Yeah, thank you. But anyway, you're closer to the campus. You can always be around. Yeah, yeah.
Good evening, sir. It was a wonderful workshop. The food accommodation all was good and people are very kind. I found it very much interesting when Ravi sir thought about the material science and the magnetic materials, piezoelectric materials, how it works and all those things. And yours also was very good because it was totally new concept for me. I never heard of all those concepts and never heard about these printers also. So I'll try to integrate in my work also in future. So that's it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Anyone else left? Anyone else that would like to? Oh, you are there, man. Camera. You want to go? Go ahead.
Thank you, sir, giving me this opportunity. Good afternoon, everyone. In this workshop, I can gain a hand-on experience on FDM printing and other printing. This is my first workshop. So thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So thank you all. I think what I draw the some of the points from your discussion. I am happy to see that many of you are actually thinking, I can connect my research. I can connect how I can improve, right, my research by connecting these technologies. So I think that is the basically what you have actually expected out of this course. How far we will take, how far we will reach. So that is actually will depending on how much you will actually adapt, how much you can actually progress. As I said, these technologies are something that we always need to adapt, upgrade. I think this is a technology that I always tell that it will is one of the most I think happening in terms of in different field, but where you can actually quickly improve your research not in terms of like example, you want to actually make some component. I can bet you, I can tell you that by adapting this kind of technologies, you will see a huge difference in terms of when you compare traditional. You still can have a traditional, but you can also actually explore, and then you will actually see the difference, how much flexibility these technologies actually will give us, right? I think I'm happy to see that you guys are thinking to connect, but again, how much you will be able to connect? So there may be so many other constraints that we'll have over the years, but as a researcher, I firmly believe that we need to have that intention that I want to learn, I want to solve, I want to see how this will work, what are the basically main issues in this, or what are the fundamentals of this study, right? I think if you have that intention, I'm pretty sure you will actually progress in your research. What I want to see tomorrow, if I meet somewhere at some conference or somewhere at different occasions, like maybe interviews, or maybe you may be a colleague after few years at IIT Dharwad, right? I want to see such kind of a moments that I basically attended your workshop 5 years back. I think I learned something, and I got something, right? I progressed. I want to hear some interesting stories, sometime, later, maybe at a different, levels, that I want to, extend all my, support, whatever possible from my side. As I said, I am open for collaboration, open for working together with whatever rules set by IIT Dharwad, because at the end of the day, we work for a system. We are in a system, right? So whatever system basically allows, but I'm open all the this thing. But I would like to extend all my support, and then I thank all of you for basically being all this part of it. I will not tell the thanks now itself, because we have some more things to announce. I think the most I think we have finalized the who are the basically the best in terms of research award, and then and also we have actually a best product award also. Again, do not think that if you are not in that list, that don't get disappointment. It just as I said in the beginning class, the why you guys are here basically to learn course. Now these are the added, basically additional skills that you have actually learned during this course. Addition to this, I would also like to highlight, which perhaps you guys may not be aware of it. So technically, you're also actually, we are also giving a transcript, which means 2 credits you are actually earning today. So that whatever the weightage, that we have different weightage for your grade, don't assume that your grade is just because of whatever the one score that you have actually whatever the, if you have written quiz, don't assume that your score is just because of that written test, because we have actually put all the other attendance, and then how much your involvement in the project, and then how much your involvement in the, how much percentage you got in course, all that, etc. So technically, so you are actually earning 2 credits from IIT Dharwad, which is vetted by academic office of IIT Dharwad, which is authorized in terms of a certificate. If I ask me, you are kind of my student. So that much I can tell you, right? So I feel like proud that in less than 10 days, I saw more than 50 students that coming from different parts of the country, and then different colleges. I want to see my students growing, better and better day by day, learning better and better. So I think we can announce the. Can you give me that list? I think I don't want to pick the groups differently. So what we thought, we have not actually put the first or second or third prize, but you have put the best prize. So which means we don't want to compare that this is the first, this is second, or this is third. I think the let me start with the the group one is the best research award. I'm not sure the names. Have the names? So the team leader is Ramit.
We request all the team
members to come on the stage. So we have actually the certificate for all the individuals, but we have one shield for the group. Yeah. So yeah, you can announce the names.
So team leader Ramit, followed by team member Himanshu Raj, Saurav Kumar,
Leader. So there are few more members. Total.
Himanshu Raj, Saurav Kumar, Karthik S. and Karthik B.
This
Ole.
is Saurav.
Thank you, sir. Karthik S.
This
and
is Karthik S.
Yes.
Okay.
Karthik B. Olekar.
The two Kartiks in same group. Okay, so here we go. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So not sure who will keep the shield. Yeah. So the yeah. Oh, thank you. Good to you recognize the team member. That is good. So I think the second one, I think it's a group 3, right? This is a. No, let's go by order. Order of a group. Group 3. Group 3.
Team leader Anis Fatima.
Anis Fatima, team leader. And Sushma Patel. Come. Jyotika from VIT. And Sharmila from Alagappa University. And Abhishek from KIT Coimbatore. So you are the leader. So Sushma Patil, Jyotika, Abhishek, Sharmila. Here we go. Who is the leader? Yeah, you can come. Some of them this side. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So it should be okay. So I think group 5, right? Group 5 actually under product category. So she's I think Tejasri. She's the only one to take the shield without any controversy. Huh? Oh, sure. Yeah.
Just come.
Yeah.
All of you, just come.
So you want to group 3 or someone, or you have a couple of friends you want? Oh, you can come, no problem. Yeah. Congratulations. So you want one more photo with all of them? Yeah, sure, definitely. So they made a good friend, so why not? Yeah. Come, some of you this side. Come. Are we covering? Congratulations. So, and then we have the last. So what is the group name? Group 6, Geeta Shanbag. So Ramya Raghavendra Kulkarni, Ningappa Sinde, Mahavir Jain, Mahavir. I see. Ganesh Malagali. So here we go, madam. Ganesh. So this I think person is not there. Here we go.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you can come this side. Come. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
So as I said, don't feel disappointment. So if you have not received the award, it just a lot of things, and you need to manage. And then some of them did not get enough time, right? Some of them did not basically, find the right, machine, right example for testing. So that we were not able to make it on time available because weekend and then some of the vacations, etc. But otherwise, I must tell this, that within short time, I can see a lot of activities. That think about, if you continue doing like this every day, how much we can actually progress, right? How much we can actually learn, right? So I request all of you, I think, continue doing good, work. So are there anything else that we, the participant certificate, no? So can we call by the names? Yeah. But is it creating any shadow when you take the picture? Okay. So we can switch off or what? If you can. Yeah. Sure. So are we able to get the transcript or still? Who is bringing? Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, you can start.
These people, can we give the feedback from now? There are 3 people who were not present yesterday.
Oh, you can give no feedback from.
So
you want to start by one?
Yes, sir.
Abhishek,
Abhishek,
Ashok. So how about now? No shadow. Congratulations.
Followed by Anis Fatima. Ganesh.
Yeah.
Next, I request Ganesh Malagali.
Congratulations.
Followed by Gangadhar Reddy. Geeta Shanbag.
Jyotika
Thank
T. Karthik
Jyotika.
S.
Congratulations. Hey, Karthik, congratulations.
Karthik B. Olekar.
Another Karthik. Congratulations.
Ningappa Shinde. Pavan Akhil. Sorry. Ramit Chugh.
Ramit,
Ramit. Ramya Kulkarni.
congratulations. Ramya, congratulations.
Followed by Ravi Kumar.
Ravi Kumar,
Sai Priya.
congratulations. Sai Priya, congratulations.
Satya Jyoti B.
Hmm?
I kept it straight so that you can.
Ah, yeah. Satyajyoti, yeah, Vellore.
Saurav Kumar Sahu.
Congratulations. Saurav,
Shankar Ganesh.
congratulations. Shankar,
Followed by Sushma Patil.
congratulations.
Sushma
Sushma
Patil.
Patil,
Followed by Sharmila.
congratulations. Oh no. Sharmila,
Tejashri.
congratulations.
Vinayaka
Tejasvi
HL.
Ashwin, congratulations. Vinayaka HL,
Shrikant.
congratulations.
Followed by
Shrikant.
Mohammad Shafi.
Congratulations.
Then we have Sangamitre.
Congratulations.
Followed by
Congratulations.
Janvi.
Then we.
Himanshu Raj.
Congratulations.
Oh, he got. Sorry. Give him a dummy certificate if they are
Oh,
taking
oh. Where is Himanshu?
photo. Next, Sudhir Kumar.
But where is this certificate, the actual one? Where is this certificate?
He,
Oh, you already have. Okay. Okay, Sudhir.
followed by Prashant Veer.
Congratulations. Prashant, where is Prashant?
Then we have Sujata Sahu.
Congratulations.
Prashant J. Udapudi. Pavitra S.
You don't need to give, come this side. We will give. Congratulations.
Rituraj Kumar.
Come, come.
Prachi
Congratulations.
Savita.
Why she needs? Congratulations. So, anyone else left? Where is it?
So now I call Sujata Sahu to get certificate from sir. This is mine, sir.
Where is her? Take madam. Congratulations. Yeah. So anyone else left? Okay. So meanwhile, we can ask, how their experience like. So they have you have that feedback, right?
Yesterday we had distributed feedback forms to be filled. So people who were not present yesterday for the test, can you please raise hand?
Till they are not printed. Printed or
one
not?
side is done. Back side they are yet to print.
Maybe you can ask some of them to come on stage and then share their opinions. You can go ahead. You know, we need to wait for another 5 to 10 minutes because we are waiting for the transcript. Because as I said, this transcript is actually has to be issued by the academic office. So we just graded about 30 or 1 hour back. So they need to verify, and then assistant registrar will sign, who is an authorized person from academic office. So technically, so that is a valid grade in terms of certificates, right? So I think how we actually work on a grade system. So if you got A means 10, right? So if you got AB means 9. So if you got a BB, which is 8. If you got a BC, which is a 7. If you got a CC, which is 6. I don't think I gave anyone below 6. Okay, so that is being said that don't disappoint. So if your grade is say 7 or a 6, so if you got a 6 means there are two scenarios, that why you got a 6 or why you got a 7 or why you got 8. So you might not have actually fulfilled the attendance criteria, right? If your attendance is lower, I think some weightage will be there for attendance, and sometime you might not have actually performed well in the test. I think whatever they've actually conducted yesterday, and some of them are very active in terms of project, and also in terms of during the workshop. So we have also kept some weightage for how active participation, right? So that also small weightage. If you are actually kind of falling your mark too low, then we have to put some weightage for that, so that we can actually raise the grade. So because when I saw the marks that some of you got. So I was not sure whether, whether to, consider or not to consider. And then since we follow, relative grading at IIT Dharwad, so which means I can set some parameters, right? I can, see how uniformly that I can apply, right? But what I don't, tweak, I don't tweak actually individual marks. We put whatever uniformly across all, without, looking at the, biased what they got. So if we apply means we would have actually applied uniformly for all of you. So that's why don't think also, bad if you got, I think not many, but I'm pretty sure if you see that grade, you know what you have performed. Okay, so and if you think that you did really well, but you got less score, please let us know. Okay, our team happy to help and happy to review, but it is also there is other side. If we review, if you got a better score, but you are supposed to get lower score, and then you'll get lower score if we review, right? So say example, now you got a 9, and then you want to know whether why you did not get a 10, and then we go and review, and then you ask us to review, right? And then if you get that time during the review, if you get a 7 or 6, you will get a 7 or a 6, not earlier what the grade you have. But anyway, I will not go to that extent, but I am pretty sure we have done our job. We have made sure that you will be happy, because you know how you actually performed in your test. I don't want to tell the marks, because I don't want to disappoint anyone for that matter, because less than 10 days, and then keeping a test also, it's like 2 expectations. But I think the team tried to put all the sorts of questions, so that I think anyone can it was like easy kind of a question. But again, they also, I saw that questions after that there are some tough questions as well. Okay, it was not that easy. So I can understand that if I am in your place, I don't think I'll get 100 out of 100. That much I can tell you. Okay, so again, I want to actually thank you all for your active participation. This is perhaps my for last 6 years. So we have been conducting various conference and workshops. I think this is the workshop that we have actually did a long duration. Most of the time we either did it for 5 days or 7 days. So this is the first time that we wanted to do it for 10 days. So I had a different experience when I did for 5 or 7 days. 10 days, I thought it will give more time for participants to do something, which I could see some work being done, like when we did it for 7 days workshop. So again, a lot of them actually actively participated. There are even a lot of challenges in terms of accessing the facilities. Again, as I mentioned, I don't want to repeat again and again. So in terms of future this thing, I'm pretty sure I could see a lot of them are have that potential in terms of expanding the research. So please take it forward, and then we can where there. Just can you check? Yeah, we can have meanwhile group photos, and then we can actually again, or you want to have a group photos, like you can come, we can have a group photo, one group photo. So, and then I think by the time you will come. Okay, come. Why you guys are standing there? Come. Some of them can come here. Some of them can come here. Come. Pavitra, come. Is it maybe you can switch off the display if you want? Is it display is having any issue? What is that? I think it's how about you? Yeah. So any one of you want to have a group? This photos also you can take some photos. We will send them. Yeah, sure. Okay. So you want this display or should be removed? Okay. Oh, is it? You want there? Or? But if you switch off the light, it is not coming, huh? Yeah, sure. So you want this background or this background? People are preferring this background. Yeah, because I think the shadow is coming. You can maybe you can put this there itself, or you want to put here for just for photos. You can bring it. So this much big is this?
Himanshu, you can pull it up there.
That is lot big work, man. Again, taking out again. Yeah, oh sure. Take. So I am already here. Why I should cover that again? Yeah. Thank you.
हमारा ग्रुप है
Your transcripts are here. I'll call by name. You can come and get it.
Yes.
Abhishek.
Ah, sorry. They are from same college, so he take all of theirs.
You, as usual, please.
Anis Patma. Sir. Next. Ganesh. Ganesh.
He is not here, I think.
Gangadhar Reddy. Akshay, keep side. Mohammed Shafi. Left. Okay. Sangamitre. Janvi. Himanshu Raj. No. Sudhir Kumar. Sudhir Kumar. Geeta. She left. Okay. Jyotika. Shankar Ganesh. Sushma Patil.
So you can actually see that backside a great pattern.
Sharmila. Tejashri. Shrikant. Vinayaka HL. Karthik S. Karthik B. Olekar. Ramit.
Ramya? No. Ravi Kumar? Sai Priya? Satya Jyoti? Saurav Kumar Sahu?
So I hope all of you actually received your certificates. Okay, if you think that your certificate is missing and then some other any issues, please bring it to our notice. And I think I would also like to